As literature shows, gamification is finding a growing application in several public services such as healthcare, education, transportation, government, among others. One of the goals of the gamification is to engage citizens as active players through micro-actions that facilitate actions such as to take part in the public conversation, give feedback to possible local government decisions, actively meet common objectives like reducing the level of energy or water waste. Gamification is a nudging approach that aims to encourage desired behaviors and positive change by designing interesting experiences and positive reinforcements. In practice, gamification intentionally applies game elements in non-game tasks and contexts. This is possible by adding an actionable layer to existing services. It leverages motivational drivers to engage specific target communities and facilitate desired behaviors with the purpose to promote positive changes. Among the design approaches, the gameful design identifies the engagement loop as the core construct that makes effective the gamification. The engagement loop includes the user's characterization, their mental models, motivations, and goals. The challenge's definition, that mark the path to the goals and identify desired actions. The system capabilities, that convey the useful information and mechanisms to sustain the experience over time, including quests, feedbacks, rewards. The main ingredients of gamification are game elements, functional and interaction components, as well as practices deriving from game design and applied to gamification purposes. Gamification works as a supplementary layer of existing services that entail their own purpose and value and that work independently on gamification. When introduced, gamification enhances the service, bringing experiential cues, meaningful narrative, engaging challenges, motivating rewards. With the application of the gamification elements inside the CO3 platform, it is expected that the user interactions with the commenting areas increase in frequency as the user feels motivated with a balance between difficulty and challenge, starting from an occasional presence to an active participant proposing issues for the community. The objective of the application of gamification elements in the CO3 project is to transform the occasional participants into active citizens that organize events and manage community goods. 4 types of achievements have been identified. Access, set of actions that guides the citizens to onboard the augmented common. Discovery, set of actions that acknowledges the curiosity for and interaction with the contents, activities, initiatives, groups of the augmented common. Participation, set of actions that encourage practices of attendance to initiatives, co-management of services, collaboration in places maintenance, decision-taking on topics of common interest. Co-creation, this is the highest expression of engagement in the common, in which citizens proactively launch initiatives, projects, ideas to create new services. To reward and personalize the citizens' achievements, a set of badges with the different points required are set. Those badges have different levels, giving the user to feel that he is progressing in some specific field or content. Here we can see the different badges defined inside the CO3 project. The table contains the number of points required to obtain and increase the badge through the different levels. The relation between the badges and the user points. This sets the different levels of the badge that can be achieved inside the CO3 platform. The integration achieved inside the CO3 app platform is seamless. The user will obtain a notification each time a task is done that completes an achievement. The citizen is able to know their progression inside the profile section with the collection of available badges and the required actions to be done to unlock each one. The screen related to gamification in CO3 app is the summary of the user's progress and the unlocked badges. But the CO3 app also shows notifications of achievements. Gamification modulates the user experience in different extents of engagement. The activities are acknowledged if performed both by presence and remotely, thanks to the CO3 technologies. In order to provide a balanced experience, a level system sets rules, barriers, rewards that outline the progress on the gamified path.